This question can be done in round 1. It says in a following figure, arc AB is a quadrant of the circle. That means this arc is a quadrant. So obviously if O is the center, which is further mentioned, this angle is 90 degree. Okay. The radius is 4, so I can understand the length of OA and OB both are equal to 4. Fine. OC and OD are equal, so it says OC and OD are equal. So similarly this length and this length is also equal. Okay. OC is to OA is 3 is to 4. That means if this length is 3, this length is 1. Similarly this length is 3, this length is 1. By using the basic proportionality theorem, can I consider that CD is parallel to AB now? And the moment CD is parallel to AB, these two lines are parallel, I can understand that CD upon AB is 3 by 4. You understand? This is 3 and this is 4. So similarly, if this is 3, this is also 4. Okay. By using the similar trend, I understand that this length and this length, I am saying GA upon GD will also share the same ratio, 4 by 3, right? Okay. Now, if I talk about the triangle OAB, it is a right angle triangle, so its area is half into perpendicular, which is 8 units. Okay. Similarly, if I talk about this triangle, this one, I talk about triangle OAD. I'm saying O, A and D. This triangle, this one is 3 by 4 of 8. So this is of 6 units. Okay, so can I say here that this triangle, I'm saying this triangle, this one. Okay, so can I say this triangle is of 1 by 4, 1 out of 4. Okay, so I'm saying triangle ACB is 1 by 4 of total triangle 8, which is 2 units, the total area is. Now in this triangle, ये जो आपने mark out किया, this one, ठीक है? If I'm assuming this as a base and this ratio is already 3 is to 4, so the area of triangle CAG, right, or AGC is, this length is 3, then this length is 4. I put a x to a safer side. So this is 3x and this is 4x. So this is 3 by 7 of 2. So it becomes 6 by 7 units. I repeat, I understand that in a triangle ACB, right, by assuming CB as the base, I am saying CB is the base. I can figure it out that CG is to GB, CG is to GB is in a ratio of 3 is to 4. So I am saying CG is 3 by 7 of CZ is 3 by 7 of CB. That's what I am done here. So my answer is 6 by 7 square units. Fine. So my right answer is 6 by 7. Option D.